I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by installing Flutter and configuring your path so commands work everywhere. Once done, run Flutter Doctor and fix any Android SDK or Xcode issues it reports. You want a green checklist. Next, create a starter app with Flutter Create My App and open the project in VS Code or Android Studio. You'll see lib/main. Dart, this is your entry point. From here, you can run Flutter Run to launch the default counter app on an emulator or device, confirming your setup. You now build the user interface and wire up state. Start by structuring screens with stateless widget for static pieces and stateful widget for dynamic parts. This keeps your code predictable. Make small edits and use hot reload so you instantly see changes. Save your file and the app updates without a restart. For interactions, use setState for simple widgets. Migrate to Provider or RiverPod when state grows across screens to keep the app maintainable. Document widget responsibilities. You finish by testing, optimizing, and publishing. Write unit and widget tests, then run Flutter test. Use integration test for end-to-end flows. When ready, build releases with Flutter Build App or Flutter Build iOS, sign binaries, and optimize images and fonts to reduce size. For deployment, follow Play Store or App Store requirements and increment version numbers. If something breaks, inspect verbose output with Flutter Run V or a dblogcat for Android. That log usually reveals missing permissions, signing failures, or runtime errors so you can solve them quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.